Good day, it's your boy Ruby FX. I'm here with another video on how I traded today using the SNR concept. So let's get down to the video. This was the trade. So let's get down to what I saw that made me take the trade. I started with my weekly analysis, top-down analysis. I did the analysis of this trade on Saturday of this previous week. So let's go down to the video. Let me remove this and show you guys what I actually saw. Okay, let's go down to the daily. I actually used the daily because I already know the market direction already. So let's go down to the 1 day chart. So this is it. This is the daily level. So the last candle for the last trade last week was this particular candle. Before then, the market created a resistance level right here. It's created a resistance level right here. Then the market came and break above it instead of respecting it and selling down. So that place automatically turned into a support level, that is RBX, resistance turn support. So after that, that was on Friday. Let me show you the trade. I caught the trade too. I caught this trade. That is this trade here. That was this trade here. This trade you are seeing right now. So after mitigating, let me show you on the 1 day. After mitigating the RBX, the rejection from the RBX was kind of very, very massive. So that is indicating, that is like a confirmation that RBS is actually going to move the market higher. So on Saturday, I did my analysis. After knowing that we tapped into a daily resistance, that means we're hoping for a more bullish move on the market. So I went down to the 4 hours, I guess. Okay, I went down to the 4 hours. Yeah, on the 4 hours, I was seeing a sell and a buy candle right here. I was seeing, let me remove this. Let me just bring it down here. I was seeing a sell and a buy candle here, so I marked it up. Let me just go through what I did. I marked it up right here. This was my support level. So I went down to the weekly, 1 hour. From the 1 hour, it's corresponded with it was having a sell and a buy candle to also as the 4 hours. So some people ask me, like, why did I take the trade from where I took it? Well, I actually took the trade from this place. So now let me break it down. This was the main 4 hours entry, right? But based on the advanced SNR strategy, this place was, let me show you now. This place was a buy and a sell candle, which was a resistance. Then the market broke above it and formed a lower time frame RBX. A lower time frame RBX. Just hold on. Let me put something back. I like my charts. This trade on Friday was actually a sniper entry. Okay. So this place was actually a resistance level that the market broke above. Then the market, I was like, the market is actually going to come back and use this based on the SNR strategy, because this place was now a zone, a very high probability support level. Okay, so I just checked and marked it up, because I always do this. Once I have 3 entries, I take the first entry or the second based on the confluence, if it meets my confluence. So I saw 3 entry though. I saw that first one and I saw this one too. I saw this one too. And I saw this one below from the 4 hours. From the 4 hours. I saw this one from the 4 hours. But I was kind of confident because this place, if you use the line charts, I'm coming out. Go back to, I'll show you something on the line chart. It was actually, okay, it was actually a low probability trade. Yeah, it was actually a low probability trade. Let me go back to and show you on the line chart. I usually use the line chart just to get the advanced level of SNR, I'll say. It's from a left shoulder right here, an apex. Then this was the break. The market came back and used the break. Okay, it used the break. It was also actually a low probability trade because the left shoulder would have been an high probability trade or the apex, but the market decided to use the break of the line chart. Okay, now let's go back on food. Now that was the concept I used, right? I took this point here as my entry, then waited for the market to play out into my zone, right? After the market play out, because I do wait for confirmation on my trade. After the market play out into my zone, I marked the sell and the buy candle that the market formed after tapping into my support support level, key support level, or how would I put it, my entry. I was waiting for a confirmation before taking the trade. So I marked the sell buy candle, right? I marked the sell buy candle. Then I went down to the lower time frame. That was 30 minutes. 30, I went down to 30 minutes. Yeah. As I as soon as I marked the entry, I saw it on the 30 minutes that it also formed a sell and a buy candle. And I was like, the next candle that is going to form will actually pick this one. The 1 hour won't, if you check the 1 hour, let's go back to the 1 hour. The 1 hour, the candle did not come back and mitigate it. So for someone that is new to SNR, it would have been waiting for the candle to come back and tap into this entry. Or the market did not do that. I saw this coming, so I just went to the 30 minutes, right? Went to the 30 minutes. Then on the 30 minutes, I saw it that, okay, this in the 30 minutes, this buy candle was about closing. This buy candle here was about closing. So I just said this market is actually going to mitigate with the 30 minutes. So I put my entry on this place here because I usually use 30 pips as my SL. I usually use 30 pips. 30 pips SL. SNR we usually use 30 pips. So I was aiming at this high. I was aiming at this high. Like on Saturday, I was aiming at this high, but I said let us play it safe. So I was aiming at this high, right? This was my first TP. Yeah. Then this was my second TP. So the trade actually tapped into it on the 30 minutes and played out really, really fine. So this is just the beauty of SNR. So now I'm anticipating gold to go to the all-time high. I'm looking for sales, or I will still wait for confirmation before picking up an impulsive sell move. An impulsive sell move. So this will be all for the video. On my next video, I'll be talking about I'll be breaking down the scenario concept, basically the buy, how to spot your buy and sell candle and everything, the formation, the area of support, the area of resistance. So I hope this video has been helpful to you.